today let's start with chapter number 9, water. So in this chapter I will tell you about the water, which is the precious resource and it is our basic need also. So sources of water. Water is most precious gift of nature. All living things need water to live. We cannot survive without water, right? So we need water for most of our day-to-day activities like cooking, bathing, drinking, washing, cleaning, and in industries. So 70% of our body is made up of water. So rain जो है, rain is the most important source of water. Rainwater seeps under the surface of soil from groundwater. It can be taken out by wells and gets collected as surface water in rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. So we have wells, rain, and river from which we get water. Now, forms of water. Water is the only state of matter which can exist in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. First is liquid. Water is most commonly found in form and rainfall falls on a liquid water. We drink liquid water, 3/4 of part of the water is covered with liquid. Right? When water freezes, it becomes solid. Ice is the solid form of water. Snow, hail, stones are also frozen form of water. When water is heated, it changes into gas form or water vapor or steam. So melting. Ice जब water में melt करता है तो क्या होता है? Melting. Water जब ice में change होता है freezing. Water हीट करा तो क्या बना? वाटर वेपर. वाटर वेपर को कूल करा तो क्या बना? योर वाटर. So we had three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Now evaporation and condensation. Water evaporates with the help of heat, and the process of change of water into water vapor. जब water किस में change होता है? वाटर वेपर में. उसे क्या कहा जाता है? evaporation. जैसे हमने water evaporate करा from soil and from wet clothes, from plants, from the water. So water vapor cools down on coming in contact with cool surface. So उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? कंडेंसेशन. जब वाटर वेपर किस में चेंज हो जाता है? वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स में. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? कंडेंसेशन. नेक्स्ट इज वाटर साइकिल. So the circulation of water in various forms in the nature by the process of evaporation and condensation is from water cycle. The heat of the sun causes evaporation of water into water. Water vapor being lights in way वो क्या करता है? राइज अप करता है, ऊपर की तरफ उठता है और इट बिकम्स कूलर एज इट गोज अप. द वाटर वेपर कंडेंसेस एंड चेंज इनटू वाटर ड्रॉपलेट. नेक्स्ट इज वाटर pollution. India is a land of river. Unfortunately, many of our rivers are becoming dirty. Why? Because of many human activities जैसे bathing, washing clothes and animals in rivers, throwing domestic and industrial waste. What it's doing? It's making the water impure. पानी को impure बना रहा है और क्या cause कर रहा है? Water pollution. Now, by drinking polluted water, we can get disease like cholera, jaundice, dysentery. Aquatic life gets affected badly. We must stop activities which makes our rivers polluted. So, what you should do? We must take steps to control water pollution, such as treating industrial and domestic waste before dumping them in water. Next is conservation of water. So, though 3/4 of part of the earth is covered with water, still there is an acute shortage of drinking water. Why? Because most of the water on the earth is salty and marine and it is unfit for human use. So, we can take following step: repair all leaking taps and pipes. अगर आप यूज नहीं कर रहे हो वाटर को तो आप टैप को क्लोज करो. देखो ना, बहुत बार लोग ब्रश करते हैं और टैप ओपन रहता है, वो आपको नहीं करेगा. यूज अ बकेट एंड मग टू बाथ इंस्टेड ऑफ शावर. द वाटर इज लेफ्ट इन वाटर बॉटल एट द एंड. यू शुड पोर ओवर प्लांट्स. डू नॉट यूज अ हॉस फॉर क्लीनिंग पर्पस. आप बकेट और किसका यूज करेंगे? मग का यूज करेंगे. राइट? इससे भी क्या होता है? बहुत वाटर वेस्ट हो. नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस चैप्टर. लेट्स मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज नाउ. नाउ टेक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. We drink dash form of water. हम liquid form पीते हैं. When it's become too cold, rain falls as hail, storm या frost. किसके form में आती है? Frost. This is responsible for water pollution. Washing clothes, bathing in river, industrial waste. It is the most important source of water. क्या है? Rain आपका most important source. Water evaporates with the help of. Water किसकी वजह से evaporate होता है? Heat की वजह से. Now give reason. Do not throw dead bodies of animals in water. Why? To prevent water pollution. Next is water droplets are formed on our spectacles when we breathe them. Why? बिकॉज जो वार्म ब्रीथ है warm breath, what it contains? Water vapor. Keep the tap closed when not in use. To preserve water. Sunlight is must for water cycle. It provides energy. Now fill in the blanks. If water is kept in a freezer, it changes into. किसमें change हो जाता है? Ice में. Water exists in three form. Water vapor being dash, lighter in weight, rises up. The drops of water, what they make? They make the dash part of earth is covered with water. Two-thirds. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Water exists in two forms. False. A water cycle maintain balance. It's true. We get disease like jaundice by cleaning. False. Many human activities pollute water. It's true. We must take steps to control wastage of water. It's true. Now match the following. Clouds, clouds, rain, steam, water vapor, water vapor, solid water, snow, pollution, gas, evaporation, pollution, jaundice, evaporation, gas, river, gone. Now answer the following question. How does one form of water changes into another? By the process of heating, cooling. Why is there shortage of drinking water? What is water pollution? You have to write 3 steps to conserve water. आप कैसे water को conserve कर सकते हो? How does water gets pollute? पानी अभी आप इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट डाल रहे हैं, वॉश कर रहे हैं क्लोथ्स को, एनिमल्स को बात करवा रहे हैं, तो इससे क्या होता है आपका जो वाटर है वो पॉल्यूट हो जाता है, राइट? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इन दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. लेट्स मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.